Hi and welcome back to Digital Toolcase. This is my video review for VidTechy. VidTechy, it's a YouTube management tool. It's quite interesting and it's on AppSumo right now. So maybe you are interested in something like this, you don't have time to try it out, you don't want to try it out, don't worry, I did it for you. So in this video I will show you what VidTechy is very quickly. I will show you the offer for the lifetime deal here on AppSumo and it will be an overview. But I will make another video in the next few days with a really in-depth tutorial for VidTechy, so I will be able to show you every single option you have, every single feature you have inside. Anyway, before diving in, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and now let's take a look at VidTechy. VidTechy is some kind of competitor for some other famous tools like VidIQ, for example, or TubeBuddy. I will say it's quite different because it's less automated than VidIQ, for example, and I already made some videos about VidIQ, comparing it with another tool similar to this one. It's called TubeIQ. It was on AppSumo, it's not anymore if I'm not wrong, but anyway, VidTechy is a little bit different in my opinion. Yes, you have keyword research, you have idea generation, you have many interesting things, but this one, in my opinion, is made more for beginning channels. So if you have a pretty new channel, maybe you are new to YouTube and you want to learn how to make your channel better, this can be a good tool. Let's take a very quick look at their official homepage. It's this one. They also have a YouTube channel. It's called VidTechy, and as you can see in the video section, they have a lot of videos. As you can see here, 132. But all these videos are not about the tool, because they already were expert in YouTube optimization, so you can find many videos about how to optimize your YouTube channel and earn more views. But in the last weeks, obviously, they are starting to talk about VidTechy, their tool. It's pretty new, and as you can see, they only have 9 reviews here on AppSumo, but the score is really good at the moment, 5 tacos. Let's take a very quick look at their offer. You have different plans, obviously. For one channel, this license tier 1, this is the one I have and I will show you. So these are the plans. We will take a deeper look later after showing you the tool. I just want to show you these 9 reviews. Again, not much, but users seem to really like VidTechy. So now let's go inside so I can show you how it works. Okay, so this is the dashboard for VidTechy. The first time you enter, you obviously need to connect your YouTube channel or YouTube channels. If you have more than one channel and you purchase one of these other plans. By the way, you can find the link in the description. And here you have a summary of your channel, so the subscribers, the number of videos, the total views. You have your keywords, you have the country and some other data you obviously also have on your YouTube channel. You have top videos, you have some statistics. Now, you have many tools here, as you can see in this sidebar. This is why I want to keep this video not too long. I will make an overview, but again, in the next few days, I will release another video with a more in-depth analysis of all these tools. Now, very quickly, you have some utility here. For example, this channel follow-up. Here you can take notes on your next steps for your YouTube channel. You also have a bookmarker if you want to bookmark some URLs here, and you have notes if you want to take quick notes all across the platform. Now, as I said before, in my opinion, this is very good for new YouTubers because it helps you to understand how to optimize, to generally optimize your channel if you are not a YouTube expert. For example, you have this manual checklist. So you want to make sure all these things are checked. You can't do it automatically from here. This is only a checklist. You can also customize it, but it helps you because it says validate and optimize your channel name for your branding. Once you have done it, you can check this one and go on. Optimize your channel handle, URL for branding, and so on. So this is a checklist to help you understand how to optimize your channel. You have a percentage here, and when you are at 100%, you are done with video watermark, with also some channel settings, including verify your account and many other little things. And this is the main dashboard. You have the Channel SEO feature. It's quite similar to the dashboard, but it's more specific. As you can see, also here you have your checklist. You can also download in PDF format your checklist, so you can read it better. You have your channel description. You can also click here and have a suggestion, but you need AI to do it. You can connect your API keys. You also have your channel keywords. Again, you can have suggested keywords if you integrate AI here. You have the most used keywords in your niche, because when you connect your channel, you are asked for a keyword, a main keyword for your channel, and here you have some other keywords other channels use, your competitors use. And here, for example, I have reference channels. These seem to be some competitors for my channel, and I'm noticing this thing. I don't know if it's a rule, but my channel is not so big. As you can see, it's slightly more than 2K subscribers, and here on my competitors list I have small channels. I have channels with a few subscribers similar to mine, in this case, for example, or in this other case. I don't know again if it's a rule. Maybe if you have a big channel, you will find big channels as competitors. But here you can see these other channels, you can analyze them, you can see their keywords and so on. And so this is the SEO page, the YouTube channel SEO. Then you have the video SEO. Here is where you can add a video project. For example, you can create a project. I made one just for test how to rank YouTube videos fast by going here. This is the project, and here you can do a keyword research and click search. So let's say YouTube, and as you can see, as I type YouTube, I have some auto suggestions. I want to search optimization. Okay, I have YouTube optimization course, and so on. Let's choose this one, and I can click on search keyword. And here I have an analysis for this specific project. In this case, search intent keywords. I have the total number of keywords, the suggested one, the questions, the preposition and comparisons. This is quite similar to other normal keyword tools, but I find it really interesting because you can find many ideas for your videos here, especially in this section where you have the how section, or you have the prepositions section, the for section. Again, it's similar to other tools like Answer the Public, if you know it, but made for videos, for YouTube videos. And you also can see if this keyword is searched also on Google and not only on YouTube. Here, if you want, you can choose your keywords and go on, add them to the list. I can choose this one for step number 2. I can compare keywords. I have a search history, an alphabet suggest, and as you can see, I can go on step by step here on this wizard. Again, analyze keyword. This time I have a specific keyword analysis with a search volume, with competition. Obviously, I don't know the accuracy of these numbers, take them with a grain of salt, obviously, but this can be really helpful. It reminds me other keyword tools. The VidIQ is not too different. Here you have other interesting analysis, the dominant channel with many data, with the number of video published, and here you can see the ranking videos for this specific keyword. So again, here you can do your analysis. I pretty like this way of showing things because usually other keyword research tools for YouTube only show you the list of keywords, then you need to go and search by yourself all these kind of data. Here you have your keyword with all these data, also the subscribers and your channel, so you can understand with a blink of an eye if you can compete for this keyword. In this specific example, my channel is quite small to compete for other channels for this keyword, but it's obviously a seed keyword, it's quite generic. And as you can see here, you also have this description. Your channel, digital toolcase have low ranking power for this keyword. To get a ranking for this keyword, you need approximately 6,000 subscribers and so on. Again, I don't know the accuracy, but I pretty like how this data is showed here on VidTechy. Once you are done with this keyword analysis, let's say you want to use it, you can click here and go to step 3, where you can prepare your video. And again, these are all things you can also do on YouTube once you upload your video, but the good thing is that you can prepare your video here, so you can optimize all these things, the title, the description, you have your preview here, so when I type something here I can see my preview and I can see the keyword, and in this case it's an exact match keyword. And again, you can have title ideas, for example, by clicking here. You have some ideas. I suppose this one come from YouTube, so from other competitors. You have some ideas here, so you maybe can mix and match all these titles. These obviously are titles for videos that got success, so it's interesting. You can see them all here. You have a rewriter here. You need AI to rewrite with this feature. Again, you can have description ideas here. These come from YouTube. You can get hashtags. So as you can see, it's really helpful for preparing your YouTube data before uploading it on YouTube. You can also prepare your pinned comment, your first comment. And by the way, at the moment, you will not be able to upload all this data to YouTube. I hope they will make it possible in the future, but you can prepare all these things and then you can copy and paste them on YouTube once you are ready to publish. You also have the thumbnail search view, again really interesting. You have another manual checklist for your thumbnails, specific for thumbnails, and once you upload your thumbnail, you also have these things to fix, these suggestions to make your thumbnail better, with again more details here, video category and all the things you can compile on YouTube. But again, it's way better to prepare them before uploading it, or if you have someone on your team or a virtual assistant, they can make all this part for you, or you can prepare this part for them and they will upload all this data on your YouTube channel. Let's go on very quickly. You have a competitor research here. Again, I will make another video way in depth for all these features. Here you have a competitor analyzer, you have your saved videos, topic idea research. Again, this is interesting. So very quickly, let's say fitness. Just to show you how it works, let's choose fitness workout and suggest topics. So this is very good. Again, very similar to Answer the Public. Here you can find a lot of ideas for your videos about something specific. You can see it in a mind map version or in a data version. So this is the list, similar as I showed you before, with questions and many other kind of keywords, so you can group them or make a specific video for each one of these ones, whatever you want. This is pretty good because I think no other YouTube optimizers have this specific thing. You can find it for Google, but again, pretty useful here on YouTube. And again, keyword autocomplete, keyword analyzer, the title analyzer, the description generator, the tag finder, hashtag finder, and you also have all the thumbnails tools here. Here you need to upload your thumbnail. You can preview it and you can optimize it. You can bookmark other thumbnails. You have your library. You can scrape other thumbnails. If you have one of the highest plans, you have the customer avatar. This is an advanced feature. And again, the ads tools, these are for higher plans. You can optimize your ad campaigns. In my case, these are not enabled for my tier 1 plan. You have the task manager here. You need to create your project and here you can plan your tasks. Again, something really interesting. It's manual, obviously. It's not AI driven in this case, but I think it can be really useful, especially if you work with a team. You have the channel planner. Here you can plan your videos just by clicking on this schedule video. And again, you have a lot of things here for productivity tools, channel name validator, video schema generator, you have auto subscribe link, description rewriter, embed code generator, the video ID finder, the channel ID finder, the playlist ID finder, the channel image scraper. You also have an audio library if you want to use it on your videos. I was watching these and unfortunately I can see all these audios are pretty short, as you can see, but if you produce short videos this can be interesting, or you need to download them and make your loop for these songs. I suppose they are royalty free, so you can use them on your videos. If you have doubt, you can contact support here by clicking on this chat and you will have your answers. Here you also have your AI chat. If you want to use the AI chat and some other AI features, here in VidTechy you need to connect your OpenAI or Google Gemini APIs. You can, at the moment, the chat is not 100% integrated with your channel data, but I think it's something they will do in the future, and I think they need to do it in order to have your AI knowing exactly what your channel is about. But you can reference to the page here you are watching, so If you are on the competitor page, you can ask about your competitors. If you are on your Channel SEO page, you can ask about your SEO, for example. And then you have your help center, the library, the feature request, and the Facebook group. This is the community. So very quickly, this is what you can find inside VidTechy. A lot of small things. I saw someone saying too many things, but in some occasions all these tools can be really useful. Now let's take a better look here at the offer, because VidTechy, again, it's quite new. You obviously have your 60-day money-back guarantee with AppSumo, and these are the plans. So $59 for Tier 1, just for one YouTube channel. You don't have these ads module, the team collaboration, and advanced AI tools. This is good if you are just starting out or you just want to try the tool, and if you like it, maybe you can upgrade to other plans. All the other options are there. So you have, for example, SEO and research module, video optimization, keyword and title analyzer, title and description generator, and so on, all these things. You also have the AI chat and core AI features if you connect your API keys. These other plans are different only by the number of channels you can connect. Here they are 3, but again, you don't have these features here, and these 2 others plan let you connect more channels, 5 and 10, with all these options activated. Link is in the description if you want to take advantage of one of these lifetime plans, and thank you if you will use it. Let's also take a quick look at these reviews. These are all 5 tacos, really helpful for YouTube SEO. I've noticed my videos are getting found a bit more easily since I started using it. For a lifetime deal, it's worth it. Let's take a look here. It's the ideal companion for YouTube. Anyway, you can go here on their page and take a look yourself at these reviews. They are not too many, but as of today, all very good rating, and it's a good sign for a tool that it's just starting out, because remember, when you purchase something on AppSumo, you are betting on the future of these tools. There is also a roadmap. I took a look at it. We can see the what's new section, we can see the in progress things. I suppose some of these ones are already implemented, the AI chat, for example, so it's not really updated, this roadmap. Up next, the Chrome extension. This is something really needed because it will help you to use VidTechy directly on your YouTube channel. The image editor, the AI script generator, Cloud AI API integration, DeepSeek integration, and going forward, teleprompter. This can be really useful for many of you, and the UTM link track. This is useful for ads campaigns. You also have an ideas section where you can post your ideas to make VidTechy better. So that's it for this review or overview about VidTechy. Again, I will make another video, a more in-depth video, but as an overview I think this is enough. Thank you very much. Again, VidTechy on AppSumo starting from $59. Link is in the description. I hope you liked it, and if so, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, I'll see you soon in the next one.